Good morning, students. Myself Kunal Sharma. I teach mathematics in Modern English School, Kuntinagar. So today we are going to start exercise 2E of second chapter, factors and multiple. So this is video number 1 and chapter number 2. So today we are going to discuss about exercise 2E. So we know that the product of two number is HCF into LCM. This is the formula, we know that. So in question number 16, we have to do, question number 16, we have to verify. So the question number 16 is, for each pair verify that, for each pair verify that their product equal HCF into LCM. So how we will verify this? For example, let us take an example of two number maybe, let us take 24 and two number is, let us take some easy number. One number is 9 and second number is 20. So these are the two numbers. First of all, find the what will be the HCF, or take 12. Okay, take 12 and 20. So what is the HCF of these two numbers? HCF will be, find the HCF. HCF, you know how to find the HCF. 12, 20 divided, 12 ones are 12, remainder is 8. Again this 12 will be divided by 8, so 8 ones are 8, again 4, so this 8 will be divided by 4, 4 two times, it will cancel out, so it is 0. So our HCF is equal 4. Now what is the LCM? LCM, you know how to find out the LCM. 12, 20, 2, 6, 10, 2, 3 is and 2 5 is. Multiply all this. 5 3 is 15, 15 2 is 30, and 32 is 60. LCM is 60. Now what will be the product of the number? So the product of these two number is 12 into 20. This is the product of the number. And what is the product of HCF into LCM? 60 into 4. So product of the two number is 240, and the product of HCF into LCM is also 240. So these are equal. So when you get both this, so therefore this is hence verified. So this is what you have to do in such type of question. Now the next type of question is, see, question number 21. See, the question number 21 is, find the least number divisible by 15, 20, 24, 32 and 36. Find the least number which is divisible by all of these. So in such type of question, whenever you are asked to find the least number, then what you have to do, you have to find the LCM. Okay, and you can find it, you can find the LCM and you will get the answer. Now the next question is question number 22. In question number 22, find the least number divided by, find the least number divided by 25, 40, 60, leaves 9 as remainder in each case. So in this type of question, find the least number divided by 25, 40 and 60, leaves 9 as a remainder in each case. In this type of question, first you will find the LCM of this. Why? Because least is there. When greatest is there, you have to find LCM. So what is the LCM? So the solution is first find LCM of 25, 40 and 60. You can find the LCM in rough and you will get it. What LCM you are getting? 25, 60. I can apply 5, 5 5 is a 5 8 is a 5 12 times. Now 4, 5, 4 is not divided by 5, so 5 will be here. 4 2 4 3 times. Now multiply all this. 5 4 is a 20, 5 is a 100 and 600, I think. Yes, so LCM will be 600. Now you have to find least number when divided. That number is divided by all these number. It should leave remainder of 9. So that number will be, so the required number will be equal to 600 plus you have to add 9 in this. So what you will get? 609 is the answer. Okay, in this way you will solve this type of question. You can pause the video and note it down. Now the next question is 23. So see question number 23. See in question number 23, find the least number of 5 digit exactly divisible by 16, 18, 24 and 30. Find the least number of 5 digit. This is question number 23 of exercise 2E. So we are asked find the least number of 5 digit. Okay, we have to find least number of 5 digit number which is exactly divisible by all these 4, which is exactly divisible by 16, 18, 24 and 30. So in this, first we have to find the LCM of 16, 18, 24 and 30. Okay, I think you can find the LCM. The LCM will be, I think, 720. After finding the LCM, what is the least 5 digit number? Least 5 digit number is 10,000. Now divide it by 720. So 1 times 720. What remainder you are getting? 10 minus this is 8 and this is 2. Now I think it's 3 times 2160 and the remainder is 640. So the required number, is the least number that is divisible by all of this is 1 plus 13, that is 14. So multiply 14. So the required number is therefore the required number is equal to 720 into 1 plus, okay, 1 greater than this number. So what you are getting? 10080 is the answer. In this way you will solve this type of question. Now your today's homework will be, no, you can pause the video and note it down. But your today's homework will be exercise 2E 16 to all. Okay, students, thank you for watching the video.